What up, what up, what up, what up? Welcome once again to my channel. My name is Nana, just like the number 7 in Japanese. Welcome once again to this channel. If you are new here, do well to subscribe to this channel. And if you're old, thanks for sticking with us. So today I am home doing nothing. It's raining outside and it's quite boring, so I was like, let's do something fun. So home rocking my Ghana jersey. I love this jersey. This is the best jersey ever worn by the Ghana Black Stars. So I was like, okay, I have this old Nike lying around, so let's transform the life of this old Nike. Let's give it a new swag, if you know what I'm saying. Yeah, so we are going to do a bandana wrap on this Nike Airforce 1. Yeah, so let's get into this video. So the things you're going to need for this custom is 1, the bandana you're going to use, the sneaker of course, you need glue and an X-Acto knife. It could be a cutter or whatever, scissors, whatever you want to use, and a brush to smear the glue on the sneaker, or like to paint the glue on the sneaker. That's it. That's basically all you need for this. So I'm thinking of doing a full wrap on the sneaker. So let's get this done. So normally you tape out the whole sneaker and then take off the tape, stick it on the fabric, and then you cut it out and then stick on the sneaker. But that's too easy. So let's make it more fun. I'm just gonna do it straight up. I mean, go straight to the sneaker, putting the fabric on the sneaker. So that's the plan today. Let's see how it works out. So first you just need to decide on where, or like the parts of the fabric that you want, and then where you want it to be. And then if you're okay with, wherever you want all these to be, then, we can just go ahead and start doing the customization. So I think I would like the toe box. I like this, so that is where I am actually going to start this customization from. So let's do this. Just make sure you have the glue on all the parts. You want to wrap the fabric properly so it can stick well. So because I'm going to be doing this directly, I'm going to be sticking the fabric step by step, place by place, according to how the patterns or the cutouts on the sneaker is. So I'm starting from the toe. This is really important. You need to make sure Yeah, so you really need to make sure it is pasted properly so you get a clean finish. Yeah. So now I have the toe box, or yeah, the toe box. I don't know if that is actually how it's properly called though, but then I have the toe box done now. So again, put your glue. Now we stick. So you have to make sure it's clean and it's properly glued up by using just your finger or your nails to make sure, you know, run through the lines of these parts. So now we have the front side done. So we are going to go to the side. So the fact is I intend leaving out the Nike sign, you know, that swoosh sign. So that is the only part that is not going to be covered by the fabric. So I'll cut that side out. I mean, that's going to be after I've pasted the fabric though. So that is the plan. So now that I have this size done, I'm just gonna cut through this, try to cut through the middle of the fabric, so you know, like I can easily stick the sides to. Just put some pressure to make sure there are no double laps on this fabric on the shoes, so it looks clean. Yeah. So let's just cut out the excess fabric. So we can do the finishing touches. So this is almost done, you know, so I'm just going to cut off the remaining fabric. Then we dry it a little bit so we can just do the finishing touches. Yeah, so now I use my X-Acto knife to just cut out the remaining parts. I mean the small, like these small parts, and also the Nike sign. So like you know, the Nike sign will be visible, and then we just glue up the remaining side. Then we are done. This is the most difficult part, because if you're not careful, you're going to cut through places you don't intend cutting, and it might mess up the whole thing. So here we are, almost done with the customization. Now the Nike sign is cut out and it's almost finished. So the remaining is these little fabrics on the sides or on the sole of the shoe. So I'm just going to glue everything to the shoes so it looks clean. Then we can lace the shoes up and see how it looks. So if you are still here and enjoying this video, please do well to subscribe to the channel. Hit on the bell icon so you get notified anytime we drop another video. Like this video, share to other people, and of course, write us a comment. Thank you. Now let's go on. So the sneaker is almost done. I mean, it's just done, but then I put the fabric all up to where the laces are, so I'm covering the holes of the lace. So I'm just going to use this to remake or to make holes into the fabric so we can lace these shoes up. So that is the reason for this impact. So you just have to look for the holes. And just gently make. So after that, just pick up your scissors and then, barber your shoes. Just cut out the excess pieces, or after cutting, like the strands on the shoes, just to make it look clean. The way I'm cutting this, man, I think I do qualify to be a barber. Magic Fingers, be careful, I might take your job. Magic Fingers is arguably like the best barber in Tokyo. I mean, if you're in Tokyo and you want to get your hair cut or your hair done, link up with Magic Fingers in Tokyo, Shibuya. He's really good. I mean, talk of Magic Fingers, I need to go get my hair cut. Yeah, need to book an appointment. That guy is too busy, man. Too busy. Too many people go into his place. I mean, too many celebrities. Musicians like Nas has been there. I think Kanye has been there. I mean, and a few other celebrities. So, I mean, he's our celebrity barber, and he's from Ghana. Shout outs to Magic Fingers. Yeah. So, this is almost done. I mean, I've tried and then cut out the excess, pieces or the excess strands. So this is basically what I did, covering the whole shoe with the bandana, the black bandana. So let me just lace the shoe up so we can bring this video to a close. So we come to the end of this video, and I think this sneaker came out pretty nice. Came out really, really nice, covering the whole shoe with the black bandana and just leaving out the Nike sign and the back where the Nike is written, and then the rest of the shoe is covered with the bandana. I think it came out really nice. So let me know what you think about this customization in the comment section. Give me a like and subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed yet. Thank you very much, and catch you on the next one. Arigatou gozaimasu.